Hola chicos y chicas, ¿qué tal? Buenos días. Bienvenidos a esta channel. Mi nombre es Javier. Voy a enseñar 30 frases en español. ¿Cuál crear son unas palabras? Vamos, empezaremos. During this video, I will talk in 4 languages. These languages would be English, Spanish, Urdu, and Hindi. It is similar to Urdu, so it wouldn't be a big deal for me. One more thing is that I can speak Chinese as well and Sindhi language as well, but I will make videos in these languages later. I will try to teach you Chinese as well in other videos. Like watch your Chongwen and how. One more thing I have noted that it's very important for us to pronounce words very clearly. When I will try to pronounce these words, these Spanish words, Spanish phrases, try to repeat with me, try to pronounce it with me, and try to repeat again and again. Then you would be able to move your tongue according to the tone, which will sound better, like a native speaker. So let's start. And now I'm going to present 30 phrases in front of you, which all of these phrases in Spanish, and I will try my best to teach you, and hopefully you will learn something from it. Primero palabra y frase de española es que bienvenido. It means welcome. Bienvenido. Bienvenido. और उर्दू में इसका मतलब होता है खुशामदीद. खुशामदीद. Otra palabra y frase de española es que apagalo. 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 Apagar to means to turn off. Apagalo. It means turn it off. इसे बंद कर दें. जैसे कि किसी स्विच का बटन होता है तो उसे बंद कर दें, इसलिए ये वर्ड यूज़ होता है. ये फ्रेज वर्ड जो स्पेनिश में यूज़ होता है उसे कहते हैं apagalo. प्लीज़ रिपीट आफ्टर मी. apagalo. Otra palabra y frase de española es que apurate. 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 It means hurry up. जल्दी करो. Enseñame. Enseñame. Teach me. The word which has accent over there, like N, then pronounce it with stress. It's not an accent, sorry for that. It's like we will pronounce this N like NY. Enseñame. Enseñame. Teach me. मुझे सिखाओ. Otra frase y palabra de española es que piénsalo. Piénsalo. Accent E के ऊपर है, इस पे हम स्ट्रेस देंगे. There is the accent available or present over E, so try to express stress over that letter, like piénsalo. Piénsalo. It means think about it. Think about it. Think about it. इसके बारे में सोचें. इसके बारे में सोचें. Tomalo. 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 Take it. इसे ले लो. इसे ले लो. Duérmete. 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 Go to sleep. सोने जाएं. Recógelo. 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 It means pick it up. Pick it up. इसे ऊपर उठाओ. कोई चीज़ नीचे गिरी हुई हो आपको, इसे ऊपर उठाओ. Pick it up. Recógelo. Párate. 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 It means stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. Párate. Párate. Repeat after me. If you really want to improve your pronunciation, then try to repeat after me. Parate. Olvidalo. 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 Forget it. Olvidalo. Forget it. इसे भूल जाओ. कोई परेशानी और आपको इसे भूल जाओ. Olvidalo. Envialo. 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 Envialo mean send it. इसे भेजें. I want to tell you one thing that envialo, we use it in offline setup. Like when we are using internet and we are sending a message or something to someone, then we will use pasalo. 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 प्यार देते. प्यार देते. प्यार देते. Get lost. दफ़ा हो जाओ. ये गुस्से में ही इस्तेमाल करने वाले वर्ड है. जैसे कि आप कहते हो किसी को दफ़ा हो जाओ यहाँ से. दफ़ा हो जाओ. तो उसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं. प्यार देते. प्यार देते. Otra frase de española es que encuéntralo. Encuéntralo. It means find it. Find it. When you lost something like your keys or your phone, or someone like your friend lost your things, then you will say, hey buddy, go and find it. Encuéntralo. Encuéntralo. इसे ढूंढो. किसी दोस्त से कोई चीज़ आपकी खो जाए तो आप कहते हैं ना कि यार जाओ यार ढूंढो मेरी ये जगह, मेरी ये चीज़ कहाँ गई, तो कहते हो encuéntralo. Otra frase de española es que préstamelo. Préstamelo. Lend it to me. Lend it to me. मुझे कर्ज दो. Por favor, préstamelo. Por favor, préstamelo. दोस्त जो होते हैं ना आपस में कहते हैं कि por favor, préstamelo. यार मुझे कर्जा दे दो. वो por favor जो है ना उसका मतलब होता है please lend it to me. Please lend it to me. Por favor, préstamelo. But here's only a single word or phrase. Préstamelo. Préstamelo. It means lend it to me. मुझे कर्ज दो. Súbele. Súbele. It means turn it up. Turn it up. इसे ऊपर करो. बहाले. बहाले. Turn it down. इसे नीचे कर दो. कोई चीज़ हो, कोई बटन हो स्विच का. Tráelo. 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 Bring it. ले आओ. ये बालो. ये बालो. ये बालो. Carry it. उठाओ इसे. Comételo. Comételo. Eat it. इसे खाओ. जब आपके सामने कोई चीज़ लाता है खाने वाली वर्ड कहता है comételo. Comételo. इसे खाओ. When someone present a dish in front of you and say comételo. Comételo. It means eat it. Espérame. Espérame. Wait for me. We usually use these words for like we need to wait someone for us, like our friends or someone. We call, hey buddy, wait for me. And we use espérame. मेरा इंतज़ार करो. Abrázame. 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 Hug me. मुझे गले लगाओ. Sígueme. 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 Follow me. मेरी पैरवी कर. मुझे फॉलो कर. ¿Sabes? One more thing which I want to mention here is that in Spanish there are words we need to make intonation like we are asking something from them. ¿Sabes? Like, do you know? Sabes? Only a single word. क्या आप जानते हैं? क्या आप जानते हैं? Sabes? Repeat after me. Entiendes. 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 Do you understand? ई जो होती है वो स्पेनिश में प्रोनाउंस होती है ए की तरह. We pronounce E letter in Spanish like A. F for apple. Entiendes. Do you understand? क्या तुम समझ गए हो? Do you understand? क्या तुम समझ गए हो? Hagámoslo. Hagámoslo. Let's do it. Let's do it. Hagámoslo. Let's do it. चलो करते हैं. One more thing is that always H letter in the Spanish would remain silent. We don't need to pronounce it. It would not be pronounced like hagamoslo. It would be pronounced like hagamoslo. Like there is no H word, but there is. हमें H वर्ड कभी भी प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना स्पेनिश में, हमेशा ये साइलेंट रहता है. चलो करते हैं. There's fruta. There's fruta. Enjoy. लुत्फ़अंदोज़. Salvame. Salvame. Save me. Save me. मुझे बचाओ. मुझे बचाओ. ले लो. Leer. To read. Leer. To read. This is a verb which is used in Spanish. There is a phrase léelo. Léelo. Read it. इसे पढ़. इसे पढ़. Pasalo. Pass it. Pasalo. Pass it. आगे बढ़ा दो. We use this phrase for passing something in physical way, but we also use this word when we are using internet and we need to send a message to our friend or someone. Or we need to share a message with someone, or need to forward a message to someone. We use pasalo. आगे बढ़ा दो. Confirmarlo. Confirmarlo. Confirm it. इसकी तस्दीक करें. इसकी तस्दीक करें. Thank you so much. I hope you would like this video. Maybe I made some mistakes during this video, and you all know that I'm also one of them who's trying to improve his languages. I can speak 3 or 4 languages, but I'm trying to improve over all of them, and that's very important. If you are able to speak different languages of the world, then you would be able to grab more and more opportunities in this beautiful world. Have a nice day. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel and support me. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Hasta luego.